But as soon as a black woman puts some weave in, oh my gosh, you're a dirty scoundrel. You don't deserve to be married. Even for breast cancer, they dismissed me with that when I felt the lump. And I pressed for a mammogram and they said, oh yeah, we see something. Hey everyone, thank you for clicking, right? And my grandfather's a pastor and they were cool together. So the results, comment below, please do. Comment below what your thoughts are and also any advice for those of us who may be going through that, and also comment below on the dating part. So, oh, and don't forget to check out my talk channel. Go over there and subscribe and watch my prophecy video. I'm telling you, so much is gonna happen this year. Seriously, go over there and subscribe, and we're gonna talk about more stuff also in new videos. Also, I have a fashion channel, so I posted my Chanel bags and a few other luxury items. I'm going to be doing more luxury fashion and then just regular fashion hauls, Walmart fashion haul coming up, all of that. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next video. Bye.